Do you have a press kit? Have you already updated your Power Bio for this year? When was the last time you sent out a press release and it got picked up by the media? Now is an incredible opportunity for our 7th Media Magic Sales and Marketing Intensive. This is an opportunity where we work with you. This is not a lecture and learn to craft your press release. We also have the media panel there. We have individuals who are on the TV and the print and radio that you'll have the opportunity to hear from them directly how to pitch them and get their contact information and learn directly from them. My name is Shannon Procise, and I've successfully attained over $3.2 million in free publicity, and I want to teach you how to do the same. Join us.